Simply, in this presentation, you will learn how to avoid mistakes that can cause you tremendous frustration and waste thousands of dollars. Most importantly, you will learn how to make not only your safest choice, but your best choice in solving your roofing needs. In the many years that I've been reporting the news for a national network, I've seen firsthand what the forces of nature can do to people's lives, their property, and especially their biggest investment, their home. Even worse, literally thousands of smart, hard-working people make serious mistakes in their roofing decisions, completely unaware that it could result in the loss of thousands of dollars. And these unfortunate roofing decisions can even affect their family's health. And they have no idea that these problems are related to their roof. Do you know what businesses have the most calls to the Better Business Bureau? Mortgage brokers, roofing companies, contractors, moving companies, and new car dealers. So, not surprisingly, there are likely more lawsuits for roofing problems than any other construction category. Unfortunately, roofing mistakes are easy to make when the installers are not properly trained, and the consequences can be costly to you and your family. That's the bad news. The good news is you're watching this educational video because you want to avoid the common mistakes that uninformed consumers often make. And that's important because a good roofing decision can do much more than just keep the water out. Your good decisions can increase the value of your home, lower your heating and air conditioning bills, help avoid the growth of dangerous mold that can affect your family's health. And believe it or not, it can even extend the life of your home's paint and wallpaper, saving lots of money and avoiding time-wasting headaches. Even better news is that you are considering a professional roofing system from a factory-certified Master Elite roofing contractor. For lots of people, choosing the right contractor is an exercise in pain and frustration. But your factory-certified roofing contractor can help you avoid the problems and risks that may have caused your neighbors grief. That's because they are committed to providing you with your best and safest choice and a superior investment. If you talk to architects, home builders, building code officials, and other industry professionals, they will tell you that there are 3 parts to a successful roofing job. First, use a properly trained, certified contractor. Second, have them install the very best roofing materials. And third, obtain a comprehensive warranty backed by a sound manufacturer. Homeowners who insist on all 3 parts dramatically increase the likelihood of a superior roofing job. Think of it like painting your living room. Once you've chosen the right contractor, would you skimp by using cheap paint that has just an average warranty? Of course not. Now, let's talk about choosing the right roofing materials for your home. And you know, there's nobody who can tell us more about that than Joanne Liebler, who has been giving great advice for more than 15 years to consumers throughout North America about roofing and remodeling on national television. Joanne, welcome.
Thank you. Jim, I've seen lots of construction projects and a lot of mistakes. And I can tell you, it's smart for homeowners to avoid being penny wise and pound foolish when it comes to their roof. It's critical. I mean, especially for a replacement roof, to make sure that they choose a qualified contractor who's going to use the best materials, install them properly, and provide you with an excellent warranty, not just the minimum coverage. Because you see, even if you choose the best materials, an improper installation will almost always result in problems down the road.
Listen, we have an illustration here. So can you show us what a well-informed homeowner needs to know about making their best roofing investment? Please help explain why, in the long term, a cheap price is almost never a good way of protecting your most valuable asset.
Well, Jim, I think many people think that a new roof is just nailing on some new shingles. The people in the business know that the best roof is really an integrated system that will always give a homeowner better protection. Now, an integrated system is where all of the parts have been designed to work together. Well, it's like buying a car that used parts from different manufacturers. I mean, you just wouldn't do that. So if you don't use an integrated system and the roof fails, you only have hassles with different warranties from different manufacturers, and each of them will say it's the other one's product that was defective and caused the whole failure.
Okay, Joanne, take me through it then. What things will your factory-certified Master Elite contractor most likely recommend to protect your home? And where do many contractors cut corners because they think you won't know the difference?
Only a factory-certified contractor can offer the Weather Stopper system from GAF Elk. Now, professionals who really care about protecting your home use the Weather Stopper system because they know it's the best, which is why GAF Elk is now, by far, the largest roofing manufacturer in North America. The products in the certified Weather Stopper system are integrated for superior performance. And because they're all provided by one manufacturer, it allows your certified master elite contractor to offer you exceptionally strong warranty protection that will give you essentially double the upfront coverage that most homeowners can get.
What are the components of this integrated system?
Well, first, your certified master elite contractor wants to protect all those really hard to seal spots that are typically vulnerable to the most leakage. You see, over time, Jim, your foundation settles and your whole house shifts. And that's what often causes those small cracks that you see on your walls. But that same type of settling can cause similar cracks on your roof, especially in the areas like the valleys and around the chimney and other vulnerable spots. So a certified master elite will likely install extra protection with a waterproof leak barrier. It's patented technology. It flexes to adapt to your roof as it moves to protect against leaks. And if a nail or a fastener penetrates it, it literally self-heals itself around the nail so it won't leak.
And this is under the shingles?
Yes, it's the first layer of insurance your master elite contractor installs after removing the old roof. And since it's under the shingles where you can't see it, many contractors cut corners and leave it out.
All right, what's the next part of the Weather Stopper system?
Well, next, certified master elite contractors typically install high-quality roof deck protection.
What's that?
Again, you don't see it, so most contractors just use cheap tar paper or felt. But high-quality roof deck protection is an important extra layer of protection underneath your shingles. It's like an insurance policy. Until you need it, it doesn't matter. But when you do, you'll be real happy you have it. Now, an upgrade to consider is deck armor. It's a premium breathable underlayment and is the best roof deck protection because it allows moisture to escape while providing the very best protection against wind-driven rain. And it also lays flatter so you get a better looking roof. And it doesn't tear like ordinary tar paper.
What's next?